Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I took some things from around the house and thought I'd make it into earrings. So the first one I took was some foil. I made that into earring. The second thing that I took was just some of this ribbon here that I had, and I made it into an earring. And then the other thing I found was this kind of rose thing, and it was around the house not doing nothing. I don't know what it is. I think it was some kind of thing used for decoration because it's got a wire here. So I thought I might as well make that into an earring as well. So we'll start off with the foil one. And so obviously what you're going to need is some flat nose pliers, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and you're going to need some earring hooks depending on what earrings you're going to make. Earring wire, ear wire. Also the hooks, earring hooks. You're going to need some findings, some they're jump rings which open. You can use larger one or smaller one. You're going to need jewellery wire. This is 24 gauge. Going to need some glue, maybe some scissors, maybe a ruler if you want. You might need a pin as well. Pin. Depends what, I mean, you don't always need all of them. It just depends what earring you're going to make. But if you're going to make all, I think the first thing we can start off is with the earring. And I don't use foil really for anything, so might as well make it into a pair of earrings. So what I did, I just picked up some foil, and obviously it depends how big you want the earring. You might want them small, might want them big. So, and then what I did, I just scrunched it up into a ball, like so. And when you cut, if you're going to use foil, if you're going to make two pairs of earrings, make sure that you cut the foil both the same size so that the ball is the same size. Yes, it looks about the same size. So the next thing you're going to do is cut some wire. I've already cut mine. This wire is 4 centimeters. Yeah, this piece of wire is 4 centimeters. So what you're going to do is make a hook at the bottom with your round nose pliers. Grab and make a little hook. Maybe I put in the middle. Kind of a hook like that. Sorry, hook like this. And then what you're going to do is push it through. Push it through the foil. Now, if you can't get it in the foil, if it's a bit hard to get through the foil, use a pin. So you make a hole inside of the foil and then you push this wire in. I've got this in all right, but sometimes it's got a hook at the bottom, so I'm going to push the hook in. So I've pushed it in now. So once you've got it in, what you can do is pick up your round nose pliers. This looks a bit long, and then you're going to bend it. I think it's a little bit too long, but be all right. You're going to bend it. You're going to bend it, and then you're going to push it in. But you're going to leave the hoop out though. Leave some hoop out so that you can put the other bit of hook on. But push the other bit in and just leave a loop at the top. Make sure that you leave a hook at the top. Like so. And then pick up your earring hook pick up your round nose pliers and slightly open it. So, and then all you need to do is hook the earring on like that, and then close it. And bring it together and close it. Just put the ball up there. Just to do some adjustments. Like that. So you've got it in there. Put it in, and there you've got a pair of silver dangle earrings. So isn't that amazing? Yeah, I like how those have come out. Nice textured silver earrings. Right, the next one we're going to do, we're going to be using this piece of material. It's called a diamante border. And you're going to need some glue because we're going to glue it together. So you're going to just put some glue. I'll put it on one side. And the other side. And then in the middle, just put it on one side, because if it's on both sides it's a bit too much of glue. And then you're going to just close it. Close it together. Press it together until it's together. Right, so I just had to wash the glue off because it was off my fingers, it was a bit sticky. So now this is dried up, and it's just check it's the same size as the other one. So all you need to pick up is the larger jump ring and the smaller jump ring and the earring hook. Then you pick up the larger jump ring, and then thread it in like that. Then you're going to close it together like that, and then hook on. I'm going to hook on this small one. Still got a hole, it's got a gap inside of it like that. And then as it's already got a gap, I will just thread on the earring hook and then close it. Ooh. Simply bring it together and close it. There we are. And I think I'll bring my flat nose pliers and just kind of secure it better. Like that. There, that's sure it's closed. Make sure it's clamped and closed like that. I'd like to give it a squeeze. And there you are. You've got some flash pair of party earrings. Now that we're allowed out partying in the UK, or next month, no, this month somehow, the clubs will be open, so you'll have a pair of earrings to wear. And then last but not least are these cute little flower things. So all you simply do is, this has got wire on it, so you bend the wire and then twist it round. I think I'll hold it here. Just make sure that it's the same right. And we're going to just twist it round. And if you've got any of these cute little flowers, but it doesn't seem to have the wire, twisty wire at the back, what you can do is do the same thing like what you did with the foil earring, is by cutting a little piece of wire, and then you can kind of shove it in at the back, because this is quite soft, this flower. So all you can do is just like shove it in like that, and then do the same way as turn it into a hoop, and then twist in the back. I'm just going to twist it. I just want to make sure that it's the same, that the loops are the same at the back. Yeah, almost anyway. And then I would just, that piece of wire there, I would just close it in, because it's be a bit sharp. So I would just close that in, so that's safety. Yeah, so if you find these cute little flower things, and the material's quite soft, like I think these are just like little decorations, then you just get the wire and you just push the wire through, just like with the foil earring. Push it through and bend the bottom. Just push the wire through and make a hook so that it's pushed in, and then pull it out that way. So this is a cute little thing. So all you need to get is the earring wire, the ear hook, not the earring wire, the earring hook, and then open it a bit, and then hook on the earring the right way, and then close it. Give it a close like that. So there you are, you've got another cute pair of earrings. So you've got these rose ones, you've got these hearty ones. I think these are my favourite because I like kind of going out earrings. These ones, and then you've got your little foily ones. They look kind of like a textured, from afar it look like they're textured earrings, but just foil bunched up. So I'm pleased how they've all come out. So remember, if you don't have the wire at the back, just shove this through at the back and bend it there, and then make a hook at the top, just like how we shoved it in that one. Much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any more of my great creations. And I normally post by the end of every week, but I can't give you an exact day because my schedule's a bit up and down. I don't want to say, oh, I post on every Friday and I haven't posted one, because I'm quite reliable like that, so I don't like to say that. So thank you so much for watching. I have an Etsy shop where I sell a lot of fashion jewellery that I've made. So I put free gift wrapping as well, and deliver worldwide, but it's free for the UK. If you've got any questions, any comments, please pop them down below. I'll put my social media links as well. I'm more active on Instagram, where I put what I've made and some positive quotes, and post my latest video on there. And also on my Pinterest, I've started to put more on my Pinterest. I'm on Twitter as well, but I'm more active on Instagram and start to get more on Pinterest. So if you want to follow me, I'll put the links down below. And thank you so much for watching the channel. Bye for now.